Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Tammy and today I will be showing you how to make a face mask. Right now we're in a very serious time and people just need to take the necessary precautions, and this is a simple, very easy tutorial. So the first thing you will need is fabric, of course. This one is cotton spandex jersey. Yummy on it, guys. And you will need two different fabrics. One for sure say that is on the outside when exposed, and the other one for the on your skin, so that way you can tell the difference, all of that to mess up. You also need measuring tape. Not necessarily, you can use this, you can use a ruler, you can eyeball certain things. Some people are really professional, but just make it work. And you need a scissors or clippers, yeah, same thing. And you need an elastic. I have different sizes here, but the smallest one just to go around the ears part. And thread, yes, using a white thread. This is polyester, but basically right now any thread, any color of your choice, because everybody has to improvise at the moment. You can't really go out on the road unnecessarily. So yes, let's get right into it. Okay guys, so as you can see now, I have my two pieces of fabric. This one is for the outside, this one is for the inside, and I also have my elastic bands. I will be putting all the measurements in the description box, so you don't have to worry about that now, I try to remember it. So I'm gonna show you how to sew these up, and yeah. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to pin these up together. So first fabric, you just fold this in, like about 3 centimeters. Fold it in, use your pin it down, fold it in, pin it down, fold it in, pin it down. Yeah, just like that. Next, in, same through, put it over, you remove your pin, and you just replace that pin right here. Hold it in, remove the pin, replace that right here. Hold it in, remove your pin, place that right there. So you'll be having something looking like this. So you see, make a sandwich, make a sandwich also. Yeah, so you just do that all the way around. Now the corners, very tricky. Hold it in, pin it down first, hold that in place, do another one, and same with the top. Hold it in. Hope you guys are seeing this. Hold it in. Remove the pin. Pin that down. Make sure you get back the corners, because that's the part that gives trouble most times. This one is already full. Pin it down. Hold. Another sandwich right here. So guys, you just do that all the way around, and then I will show you how to insert the elastic in the sides after this. Okay guys, so after you finish pinning up everything, it's supposed to look like this. in the side. Just put your pin back and pin that down firmly. Careful not to stick yourself. And then your other elastic, you put it in the other side. Remove the pin. Put it in like that. And then you put it back. And then just do the same thing to the other side. Remove your pin, stick it in, replace it, remove your pin, stick it in, something looking like this. Alright, so now let's sew up all of this. You're going to do a straight stitch all the way around the ends, as close as you can get to the edges. That would be good. So yeah, do that, and then after we get back into it. So this one is another one. This one is the adult size. Right now, I'll probably make about 3 masks. So you see the pattern change because I do recordings for different sizes. So yeah, same procedure though. Okay guys, so now that this is all sewn up, we will be doing the fold on each side. So from here to here 1 inch, from here to here 1 inch, here to here 1 inch, here to here 1 inch. So first you get your measuring tape and measure the 1 inch here, that's 2 inch. So you know the fold would be like that. You can use a pin to hold this down, hold it in place, and then this fold now you turn upwards like that, and you pin it in place inside. In, put it in place, and on the next side you fold it up, making that in place. You can go over it and make sure the folds are knit like a pleat. Should look something like this. And now after this you're going to just stitch for a flat stitch. I'm going to use 2 stitches, one here and then another one here to secure it. One inside, one here, another one here to secure it. Remember, I'm going to put all of these measurements and everything that I do in the description box, so don't worry about it. Now you just put the same thing on the other side. Clip up the edges, the trimming, and what it is. And then you'll have something looking like this. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. As you can see, this part you put behind the ears, this part you pull it up over the nose, and this below over the mouth. You can also feel free to check out our clothing line. It's called Street Dance Life Tammy Series. You can follow me on Facebook or Instagram at Street Dance Life Tammy Series. That's for the business page, and our business website is Street Dance Life Tammy Series. That's where that site. Yeah. So this is the finished product. Yes, my beautiful wife as my model today. Yeah, face mask 1 2, easy. So we have come down to the end of this face mask tutorial. I want to say thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, comment your favorite part below, and do remember to share this video and also subscribe. I am on my way now to 280 subscribers. Once again, thank you all so much for the support. Peace out.